Hello, Liza, how do you do? I'm writing you a letter, I hope it reaches you.
Hey you guys, it has been a minute. I'm sitting here with my green juice and my ice roller. I'm just ice rolling my face. I have a few pimple patches on because I just got my period a couple days ago and I'm getting like a ton of breakouts on my face. And so I put these little pimple patches on. These are so cute. They're from the brand Squish. I'll link them down below. It's not sponsored. They sent me these like a while ago and I love them. They're such good pimple patches actually. And I really like the brand. They have really good like under eye patches and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure their under eye patches are the reusable ones. They're like the jelly, the cool consistency. I just really like the brand. So anyways, yeah, it's been a minute since we've like actually caught up. I feel like I've just been getting settled into my mom's house and starting to feel normal and in a routine and stuff. And I've been really into work and really into TikTok. And I don't know, it was weird like coming back here. I was like, I don't know what my whole vibe is gonna be like. Like, I wonder if I'm gonna want to do something different. People are asking me, they're like, are you still gonna model? Are you still gonna like, you know, do influencing? And I'm like, I mean, yeah, I assume. But I also, in the back of my mind, I was like, well, I don't know, maybe I won't. And I got here and I booked 2 jobs for modeling. And then I also like got really re-inspired to make TikTok content and like do all of that. So it's just been it's been fun to kind of experiment with things and see where I want to take all of this. And being here really gives me time because I'm not like worried about anything. I'm kind of just like, you know, like with the wedding planning and house hunting and everything, like we're taking it like, you know, not slow, but like we're not rushing into anything. Like we really want to wait to like find the perfect house. And I'm actually going to tour a wedding venue tomorrow, my first one. And for some reason, I have such a good feeling about this one. Like I don't know why. I'm so scared that I'm gonna like this one a lot and just end up like putting a deposit on it without going to see any other ones. And I don't want to like regret that. But I just have this really good gut feeling about this particular venue that I'm really gonna like it. My mom's coming with me. That'll be fun. That'll be part of this vlog as well. Today we just have a kind of like chill like work from home day. You know, I'm starting a new vlog. Like I haven't vlogged in ages on YouTube. I've been vlogging on TikTok though a lot. So if you guys want to see like days in my life, I do like little mini days in my life on TikTok, and those are like a minute long, so you guys can just like watch them if you want. I'll link that down below. But yeah, we're just gonna do that. I already went to the gym this morning and now I'm going to get some work done. Like I said, I just got black stuff on my face. I lit a candle and I have like soot or whatever it is, like candle stuff. I need to eat like brunch, I guess it would be. I had coffee this morning and I did like a little workout at the gym. Nothing crazy, just like walking and then a little bit of like lightweight arms. Like I said, I am like on my time of the month, so I haven't really been pushing myself this week, and honestly at all. Like I've been trying to just take life really slow. Fuck, I just spilled green juice on my white comforter. That's like so awesome. Let me put this over here. I've been trying to just like take things really slow and just like be kind to myself and really settle in and really like get back into swing of things. And I've really been loving my time here so far. Like it's been just about a month. We got here on the 9th of October and it's November 11th, so the 8th or something like that. Is when we got here. So it's been just about a month. So I'm feeling pretty settled. I feel pretty good. I feel like I have a good routine. I have a good like work-life balance and all of that. Like it's been really nice. The hardest part has been being away from my dog and Frank. Dinky has been staying with Frank's parents, and because my mom has 4 cats and he is just a different dog here, like he goes absolutely bananas with the other animals around. Like when he sees the cats, he's just crazy. Like he doesn't sleep through the night. He's just bad. And at Frank's parents' house, he's like a perfect angel dog. So we've just been like having him there, and I've been like going over a couple times a week, obviously like sleeping over, taking care of him and stuff. But it is hard not being able to see him. And I do like feel bad that Frank's parents are like kind of having him there, although they want him there and they like love him so much. His mom is literally obsessed with him. But I just, you know, I still feel kind of bad about that, but I try to do my best to, you know, come over there as much as I can and take care of him and take him on walks and play with him and, you know, all of that, just to take some of that burden off of them. So I really, really appreciate them doing that for us. But yeah, this is going to be our first back to Massachusetts vlog. I've just been trying to take care of myself a lot and like do the things that I wasn't really doing for myself in LA. Like, I don't know, just be more mindful about things and have a nice morning routine. And I don't know, I like got just randomly out of that in LA. Like I wasn't really motivated to do anything because I was always go, go, go. And it's been weird to like just catch up on life, kind of like slow down in every sense. Like it makes everything that I do so much more special. Like getting a coffee at Starbucks is so special because it's fun. It's like the one thing during my day that's like, oh, I'm going to do something. Oh my God, am I like rubbing my pimple patches? This kind of feels nice though, because these two right here are like really like cystic, so they're like under the skin, they're very hot. But yeah, that's that. I'm basically just going to start getting ready. I did a hair mask today. Tomorrow's a hair wash day before we go to tour the venue. So today I just put a hair mask in. So I'm gonna like sleep with this overnight and wash out tomorrow. So that's super exciting. And then tomorrow night we have a game night at Frankie's best friend's house, well, his mom's house, but he lives in Boston with his wife, and he's actually coming home for the weekend to see his parents, and they're hosting a game night and we're invited. So I'm really excited. I think that'll be super fun. Little wholesome weekend. Tonight I think I'm gonna go to my friend Rihanna. You guys have probably seen her on the vlog or on my Instagram. She has a studio where we shoot some content sometimes. She shoots content all the time there. And her boyfriend has a vintage clothing store that he runs basically online. And they're doing a pop-up at the studio. So that'll be really fun. That'll be something cute to do. And I think I'm gonna get there early and help her set up and stuff. And she's buying my acrylic like desk thing, so I'm gonna bring that to her. I just actually opened a package and I got some cute new jewelry and I put it on with the stuff that I already have. I got these earrings, which I thought were really cute. They're just like kind of like a chunkier but small hoop. And I got this necklace, which is like what are these called? Gothic letters, I think. And it's just the letter F for Frank. I put it on with my existing like safety pin necklace, and then I just put on my like regular bracelets and rings and stuff. And I thought it like all looked really cute together, so I wanted to show you guys. These little earrings in the middle, oh my God, I forget where I got these from. I'm gonna try to remember and I will link them down below. This little guy right here, this bar, I went to a Nasty Gal event and they had free ear piercings, and I believe I tagged the brand, so I'm gonna try and go look. So again, I can link it for you. This is my engagement ring. This is an Aura ring. This was my mom's from, I don't know, forever ago. This is from, I believe it's also from Vibe Season. This is just a tennis bracelet that my mom gave me, and this is a Cape Cod bracelet. So that's that. That's my little jewelry update. I'm still just sitting here in my room. It's raining outside. Well, it's not really raining anymore, but it's like very, very gloomy outside. Just got my PJs, my hair mask, a sweater, my candle's still going back there. I think I bought some of those La Colombe pre-made lattes, so I think I'm gonna put one of those over ice and have that while I do some work on my computer. My friend's having like a pop-up thing where her boyfriend owns a vintage store and they're doing like a pop-up at her studio. So I'm gonna get there. It starts at 7. I'll probably get there a little before 6:30. And then I can still get to bed early, which will be nice.
That would be nice. Well, I hope you have a good time.
Thanks, Weenie. I still got freaking like an hour before I even need to leave.
Yay, I peed.
Yay! She paid!
You are being grateful.
I like am a wrinkle.
Like in a different way.
I'm rainy day. You guys, I'm on the phone right now with Faith on FaceTime. I've been doing my makeup here.
Hi, family.
Hi. This is my little Faithy bear. We've been FaceTiming while I've been getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to Ray's studio. I don't have to leave for like another hour and a half, but I'm getting ready to go to Ray's studio for the little vintage store pop-up, and Faith is cleaning out her beauty drawer or something while
Honestly, my whole life.
Faith is cleaning up her whole life while we just talk on the phone. So if anyone's wondering, I am still sort of friends with Faith. Kind of, sort of. Nah.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up.
Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday now. I just showered. I woke up at 6. I made some coffee, like relaxed for a little bit. I showered and washed my hair and did my makeup already. It is my time of the month, like I mentioned, so I have 2 big honking pimples that I made into beauty marks. But that's all good. Last night was super fun. It was so cute. Ray had all these snacks put out, and I actually got a really good pair of jeans because I ripped my other ones. So I'm super excited. And yeah, so if you guys want to check out Andy's store, it's called Pocket Change Vintage. I will link it down below. They're so sweet, so always happy to support, and this stuff is awesome. But yeah, today my mom and I are going to Rhode Island for our first wedding venue tour. I'll show you guys some clips maybe, but I also like kind of want to keep it a secret, like as a surprise. Cause I don't know, I want to keep it a surprise to basically everybody besides, like, you know, my bridesmaids and Frank and our family, just because I think that would be like fun. I don't know, I feel like that's what people do. Anyways, yeah, my mom's gonna do my hair. We're just drinking some coffee. If you guys, I bought this Starbucks cup off Amazon. It's really cute. It has the little like Starbucks logo. Can you even see that? And it's like greenish black. I think it's really cute, and it's helping me drink coffee from home. I still might get Starbucks out today after the venue tour just as a little treat, but I bought all kinds of different coffee stuff. I bought like La Colombe pre-made latte cans. I bought like the big Califia Farms like pumpkin one. I have Nut Pods cream. I got almond milk. I got plain cold brew. Like, I got coffee stuff on deck. The only thing I don't have is flavored syrups, but I have like flavored creamers and stuff. So yeah, that's like, I'm trying my best. But I said, like, you know, not every day do I have to avoid Starbucks or Dunkin'. Like, I can do it like a couple times a week. It was just getting to a point where I was having it every single day. So I'm gonna kind of try to set out a budget per week and divide that by however many days. So anyways, I'm gonna start getting ready, like finding an outfit to wear and everything. It's 9 o'clock, we have to leave at 10. So it should be good. And it was pouring rain last night and pouring rain this morning, and all of a sudden we go to get ready and it's bright and sunny, and that's so exciting because my mom and I kind of wanted to like make a day out of this whole day. So it was gonna be such a bummer if we had to drive there in the rain, and it's like 2 hours away and all that, but now it's gonna be good. So I'm super excited. I also just washed all my makeup brushes. Some of them, like, the stuff wouldn't come off all the way, so I kind of half-assed it, but this is the cleanest my brushes have been in like a long time, you guys, so this is good for me, okay? Don't judge me. My little outfit of the day, guys. Don't mind the mess in the background. This top is from Aritzia. The blazer is from Boohoo. These are my new jeans that I got last night. They're just the Levi 505s. These shoes are from Zara. And then I'm wearing my Gucci glasses. But I think I'm gonna do Chanel Coco Mademoiselle perfume. I feel like it like goes with the vibe. We are on the way to the wedding venue. We have like a little under an hour left. We've already been going for like an hour, and we're debating we might go to lunch, like a little girls' day in Providence. I found like a really cute spot, if we're up to it, and if not, if we feel like just going home, then we might just like, I don't know, we'll probably get Starbucks and like go home. But yeah, we're almost there, which is super exciting. It's such nice weather. We were so scared. It was raining. I told you guys it was raining all day last night and all this morning. It was pouring rain, and my mom was like, oh, you know, like, I don't want to go because it's raining. We should like reschedule. And I was like, Mom, don't worry, it's gonna be good weather. And look, it's beautiful sunny weather. So yeah, so far so good. And I will show you guys, like I said, I want to kind of keep it a surprise. I don't know if we're even going to choose this place. Obviously it's my first venue tour, like I'm not gonna, you know, jump on the first thing that I see. But even if we do end up choosing this place, I want to give you guys like snippets and give you guys like my feedback afterwards and all that, so you can kind of be in the process with me. But I also want to keep it a little bit of a surprise, because I think that will be way more fun when the wedding video actually comes out, and you know, when the wedding comes to be, which is not for a hot minute, but I think it'll be fun for you guys to kind of figure out where it's going to be, you know, when it happens.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck to look around. Find one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes.
You guys just got home. I changed into some workout clothes. Okay. I changed into some workout clothes. I'm in the middle of my workout. Just doing like a quick, like 10, 20, maybe 15 minute body weight circuit. I did some abs, little legs, which I just filmed for you guys. I'm like out of breath just from that. Might do like a little bit of arms, and then my mom made a salad, so I'm gonna go eat that. We stopped at Starbucks after the venue, and I haven't said anything about the venue yet, but you guys, I hate to be that girl that's like, oh my god, it's the first one and I love it, but it's the first one and I love it. So that's all I'm really gonna say. I don't want to say too much because I don't want to give anything away, but fingers crossed. I really think this one's it. I knew it. I have a gut feeling. I'm good with that kind of stuff. Like with my car, it was the first car I looked at, the first car I bought. Like, I don't know, Frank was my first boyfriend. He's the one I'm marrying. Like, I just kind of know, I don't know. I feel like I have a really good intuition about things. I really know what I like. So I don't waste my time or other people's time when it comes to stuff. Like, I do my research ahead of time and I find out what I want and I go for it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more of a little workout, like another 5-10 minutes. I'm watching one of Gretchen Garrity's vlogs while I do it. And then my mom made me a salad. Like I said, I'm gonna go eat that. We had like little Starbucks breakfast sandwiches and some coffee on the way home. It was like another 2-hour drive, so we were pretty hungry. It's like 3:30 right now, and I said I'm gonna meet my friend Rihanna for drinks and apps at like 6 and like a little dinner moment at this cute restaurant that we love. And yeah, that's basically gonna be our day today, but until then I'm just basically chilling. Alrighty guys, I'm all ready. This is my little outfit. I'm gonna try to show you guys. I'm just wearing a white top. Actually, maybe I can show you in the mirror. The lighting's just bad. I'm wearing this white satin top. This is like a long satin trench. I'm wearing these trouser pants and some boots and my little black Fendi baguette. And I'm late, so I need to go.
Suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area